I always mute, but I feel like I don't need it. They changed it. I didn't know that was a plane, but they changed like gunshots when you shoot your own gun, and when you're in your own car, it's not as loud for you, but it's as loud for everyone else.
That's kind of nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Car was way too loud.
Like cars are quieter and guns, which are major, and I think mortars are as well.
Oh.
Three teams, maybe four. Full team up top. Doesn't even look like they're landing yellow right now.
There's a team on our north.
What? In the open southwest. Lucky boy. Okay, I trolled my parachute. Yeah, running in yellow. You guys. More right side.
There's a guy in the shack on me, on blue.
Probably same team as yellow. Nice. They're resin yellow if you guys want to push it. Left side. Holy fuck. He's lit. On the rock. Nice. Two in the far building. One's lit.
Probably not right. Let's see destroyer.
Bro's manifesting with that name. He's trying to. I respect it.
Perk expert.
Perk lord. South just flared.
South pushing you?
Probably. Big team ran down to yellow. One of them. I don't hear this guy. We could fight the high ground team. They ran to yellow. At least one of them. Coming back. Like not picking up the JS9's kind of troll. I just ran past one.
Let's go upstairs. Inside.
First one in the body. Outside the building in the back and upstairs.
Upstairs. Hurt.
Right above me.
Yeah. You vault.
Yeah, balk. Left balk. Bro, this guy's just blocking my walk up.
Yeah.
Eliminated. Oh, they had coin. They were about that life. Muzzle break here. Another team might push. 6x. Her. They threw an emergency cover flare at me and ran away. Maybe it was the high ground team that did that. We killed. It's weird. I hear him east. In yellow. Two, one is outside too. My god, my gun got blocked. One's inside. Two in there. One's on like the back left bridge. Still inside yellow. Good two there.
Top left. Top left.
Nice. On top left. Helping out. Last guy
Yeah,
top.
nice fucking try to flush you.
I'm flashing behind Dusty.
They're gonna flush by the way. You get knocked.
He's behind. He's outside.
Nice.
Alive and kicking.
Predictions. This is for you, bro. Is the K9 better? Or the M24?
Ooh.
I mean, you're a bolter, man. You gotta know this.
A bus coming right out of east. K9 for style points, I'd say K9. The M24 is better. It shoots straighter.
Oh, they got out. They got out on us, on blue.
Oh,
He's on top of his car. Bro, he's lagging, man.
Oh, one's in the road.
On the bus. What the fuck? Oh, it's
Hey,
raw dice. It's
Aragon?
hands down. It's a stream sniper and something else.
Never saw the fourth.
He was on the car, no? Or did you kill a guy?
Killed guy.
He's on the car.
Oh, res maybe.
He also has a 249.
Got to slap a hoe. Got put down. Okay. Need 3 vest.
Teleporting.
I can repair. There was a full team on my waypoint. Let me just go look for them.
This has no gas.
You guys don't have a car?
Here's a Dacia.
Hmm.
Let me in.
Get in my net. You know what I'm saying, Dusty? Oh,
Get in my net. Sorry, I was talking. It's gonna be H1 and Ashley on Monday.
Get in my net, fish.
We watch a YouTube guy, and he always says that every time he catches a fish.
Oh, there's
Where's it?
people down here.
Knew it.
Green.
In
Oh
my
fuck, I
net.
crashed. My peak.
Don't worry, I'm about to give one an earthquake.
I think there's a high chance they're ratting. The dead center.
Watch this, watch this.
Yeah, I only saw
I'm gonna
one
bait 'em out.
green.
I saw a 4-man. They
He's
might
peeking.
land here.
Yeah,
Green.
green building.
I'm gonna silent down. There's
Where's
2 on the right.
Gave one earthquake. Earthquake on the right. I'm crashing with earthquake.
He's peeking green door.
Oh fuck. 2 M249s.
My legs.
Oh fuck.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
One's running up on your hill on the left.
I need to go. Yeah, I'm heading back.
One's on your hill on yellow. He's
Car's
hurt.
not driving.
Yeah,
He's on my
tree.
mark.
He's on blue.
And then
He's
2 in my building.
Let's do push out.
I'm coming, I'm coming.
He's arming me. He's using his arm to flash.
No, no, he's 1 HP on the tree.
I'm resin.
Yeah.
ran downhill. He's really hurt.
Did you make it
On yellow tree. Yellow tree.
I knocked the tree. Okay.
One cross to the warehouse on blue from yours, H1. Back left, warehouse.
He's 1 HP on orange. There's a car on my left rolling down.
We should just get it in the compound, honestly.
Yeah.
I knocked
Somebody on the left
One
side.
ran to yellow.
Okay.
Oh, they're getting shot in the ass from the logs.
Yeah, like on orange.
Yeah. One's yellow and one's in the far right green warehouse.
They died to the other team.
Yeah.
Very good.
One's between the two. Where else?
Nading?
Knocked the right guy.
Pushing you on your wall. Knocked.
Almost far right.
Back in my building.
He's really good.
Flashing behind.
Knitting this room.
I'm resin.
He's just on the corner of my building.
Nice.
Get
Nice.
in my nut.
I should have smoked here.
You never use the compensator in the ball, right?
I do have a compensator on my bolt right now. It doesn't do anything.
It doesn't do anything, right?
Yeah, it does nothing. But I do got one on it. Hi, Blue. How you doing? We have a TPP tournament all weekend. So excited. How was that? Us? We're in the car and yeah, like 3 of them just jumped out, but 4 of them. What the fuck? They're only open. Who's the last guy?
Oh yeah. 4, what? What am I looking at?
They shouldn't have shot at us. Their car was out of gas.
One back to
One went
compound.
back
one
to
trade.
right, yeah.
Thanks for the
Good
58
push.
months of tier 3, bro.
There's still 2 on the tree. They're trying to get picked up.
Okay.
But I'm not out of gas yet. He ran his teammate
Oh,
over.
he ran him over.
Flush him. They're in shambles. They're in
He's
actual
driving
shambles.
at us.
Bro's driving at me.
I mean, at this point, yeah, you just give up.
He's just honking.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? Wheezy Jack is tilted
So
as fuck.
waffle.
He said, I told you not to shoot at him, and then just drove it down.
Almost shooting from the
Bro, the
right.
guy just died out of a glider. He died to play
Play
zone.
zone?
Yeah, I watched it happen. I was like,
Where's
what?
the glider? It's gonna land.
It's east.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, east.
Oh, that's gettable,
Bro, I'm
bro.
taking that shit.
It's
That
so
shit gonna
bad.
glide to
You
the
gotta
bottom.
solo it. I was so confused. I thought he jumped out and he just insted. That thing's slowly coming down. You can get that for like 10
it'll
minutes.
land perfect.
Oh
If it
yeah,
doesn't hit a
that's
tree.
so funny.
If it makes it past these trees, it's actually pretty.
He was actually 1 inch away from surviving. Like he just hit play zone when he died.
Bro, how does he not like bandage or something? Like, what is it? Not boosting.
The guy probably came from Rheinan or Bailey or something across the map. But sure, there's people dead center compound. You would think.
I don't see anyone peeking.
Damn, look at this landing for me. Fuck.
Oh, it's taking down bamboo trees.
Oh, fuck. What a landing. No, it's gonna hit the pole.
Crate up east. I'll probably get contested for this crate, to be honest.
Um,
20 alive.
No. I'm getting shot at.
where?
I don't even know.
Shot south.
South.
Blue. Blue shooting at me.
Yeah, camping yellow. 3 guys on the gas station.
Ooh, okay. There's one on this.
I blew up the pump.
There's a team with a VSS on blue. M249 VSS. Bro shooting at me with an M249 prone. He's actually fucking destroying me.
I'm getting stray bullets next to me.
Yellow has to move.
They're on orange too.
This whole blue team has to move as well. These guys might crash our compound if you want to come kill them.
Okay.
They're going to. They're like 4 deep in a UA. In a
Just
US.
silent down towards them.
Yeah, they're doing blue liner now. I'll tell you where they start.
Yellow's
They're
pretty
going
good.
under hung. They're driving into me, just blow me up.
Stop
Literally just
here,
get out.
man.
They're gonna
Let's
yeah,
stop
just get
here.
out. They're gonna drive right into you.
Yeah. You rolled the car.
Come back!
Get
Stop.
out.
Compound. Another. Nice.
Died.
Still another
There's a guy
compound
on the
team.
hill. Yeah, a guy
Yeah.
shot me in 249. There's a guy on my hill as well.
Okay.
Push from the right. We can kill this combat guy. He's like yellow.
Someone should be like blue area.
These flags. You still have that repair kit?
Yeah, I'm dropping it. He's dead. For sure. That bolter just killed him.
Yeah, north guy died.
No, the north
Yeah,
guy's
he's still on
alive.
blue.
He's on yellow yet.
Oh,
Oh
there's a
yeah,
car driving
dude, my
towards
bolts are going through people tonight. Like, am I actually missing? Insane to me. Oh, he's still loving green. I was capping. He naded
Yeah, that's
us?
what. Dang,
My
he
bad.
shoots him all.
You're right. One more peeking far north side.
2 people just got out on blue.
See?
Where's the guy?
He's top line.
I'm not one blue.
One on blue.
A shot.
Top floor green or
Top floor green, yeah, yeah.
building?
I'm gonna molly in.
I see him in the top right left corner.
Yeah, he's coming back. He's back.
Made him
Jump
out.
No, he's sitting back.
This one.
Nice.
Is it orange then? Did we knock 2 there?
There was
Yeah,
two
I
knocks,
think
so-
we got 2. I'm inside.
How is he still alive?
I'm flashing stairs. Could be cap. Just clear it.
Check this room. He's very.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I thought he'd be prone behind bar, not in the shitter.
I mean, after you look there, it's like he has to be in the shitter.
A shitter in the shitter. I'm getting that triple double, baby. Got 10 assists on the way.
Same. 8-8 right now.
8-8. Let's go. Quick, get in the car before he steals all the kills. Pull up.
They got a nade knock in front of me.
This thing's double popped.
Yeah, we might have 249 sprayed it.
Yeah, our other car rolled away.
Maybe.
I think Ash is guilty.
No.
Not putting the handbrake on earlier.
Both teams are peeking me. They're all in the building.
Okay.
We'll be there in an hour.
The fucking aim puncher scared the shit out of me.
We gotta focus one of the VP inner teams.
Oh my god, there's a guy on me.
Off the bicycle, save, double bolted. Good job. The guy's screen went bounce twice. Flush. Upstairs, right?
One's first floor. It's 2 teams still.
I've got time into me. And nade top left, Ash. He's
Oh,
there.
I keep missing.
One's still top left. Good molly, I think he's gonna die. Ban him.
He's on my right, flashing me. I'm shotgunning him. Yo, what's up? You couldn't see me with a ping, huh?